allow you to be inspired.
Myntri Rangbah o Conrad ke Sangma. Ula Pynsngew ya ke Jingdonkam ban Pynbun Jingtip Shaphang Thain stila mingi haknat pule puthi ya kinong yele light load na kini Thain bat ya kriti dustur kenang bandon ke jingya jan bat kari barok kawai. Habakran na ke jingya mir kabalong shibenta jong kapurvatar swabiman utsaf. Hinin kesngi usangma ulayatu ba katanat pule puthi kam kren Shaphang kinong yele light load na Thain stila mingi. Ni Shaphang gijat benriu baper jong kini Thain. Da kababannya ke Jingdonkam bandon ke jingya slok halor ke culture kamtam hapdeng ki khlung khna usangma uloong ba kala donkam bandon ke jingya itu bat ke Jingtip Shaphang kriti dustur bat ki culture jong ki jait benri baper jong kari nado ki por badang red hakajo ka por ki brion na ka Thain stilam mi ngiru ki donkam ban tip Shaphang ka culture jong ki wei pat ki jait benri jong kari.
Is that we need to have at large overall connectivity that needs to be built up. And by connectivity, I mean road connectivity, I mean cultural connectivity, airports, IT connectivity, economic connectivity. So connectivity is a very important word. And hence, only if we are able to integrate the connectivity in terms of infrastructure, in terms of communication, in terms of economics, in terms of cultural aspects, I think only then will we be able to see a very strong, integration taking place between the Northeast and the rest of India.
Hashwa jong ka